Nestled in Studio City's Fryman Canyon Estates, California, the Oakdell Residence reinvigorates a 1957 mid-century home, preserving its essence while adding contemporary enhancements. At the heart of the original design was a sawtooth floor plan that offered views in multiple directions. However, the floor plan was congested beyond this core, and connectivity throughout the home and site was limited. The renovation aimed to create an airy, light-filled space, maximizing landscape views while building upon the existing strengths. Floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding glass doors enhance transparency, bringing abundant light and extending the living area into the outdoors. Main living spaces, living room, bar/game room, dining room, and kitchen, are linked by zig-zag-sliding doors opening to the garden. A new family room, echoing the sawtooth motif, descends 2 steps below the main floor. The relocated kitchen, elevated slightly above the family room, incorporates skylights and white marble walls. A 2-story addition features a bedroom wing and an integrated office space below. The minimalist palette of stone, hardwood, and white plaster maintains the home's character, echoed in the thin roof plane that retains mid-century horizontality and shade. The site's tiered landscape, surrounded by trees and hills, harmonizes with the home's interior and exterior spaces. Drought-tolerant plants, decomposed granite, a pool, and concrete garden walls create a dynamic outdoor setting, embedding the residence into its surroundings. Location: Studio City, California. Size: 5,755 sf. Design Team: David Thompson, Principal in Charge, Gregory Marin. Interior Design: Lisa Strong Design, Susan Mitnick Design Studio. Construction: Doppin Construction. Landscape: Fiore Landscape. Photography: Lisa Romarin.